Most people treat state quarters like pocket change, toss them in jars, spend them without a thought, and that's exactly how fortunes disappear. 3 quarters sitting quietly in your drawer could be worth life-changing money. One wrong spend, one cleaning mistake, and the value is gone forever. These coins look normal, worn, ordinary, safe. That's the trap. Collectors pay insane money for subtle errors most people can't even see. Slight misprints, tiny double letters, faint design shifts, all invisible unless you know what to look for. People spend them every day. One swipe at a register, one donation, one coin dropped in a tip jar, and it's gone. Gone forever. Check every state quarter you own. Every detail matters. Because the real nightmare isn't that these coins are rare. It's that the fortune already passed through your hands, and you didn't even notice. The one you ignore today could have been your life-changing discovery. Don't let it slip away. Most people don't lose money. They destroy it slowly, silently, without even realizing it. The drummer boy coin looks normal, small, ordinary, safe, and that's exactly how it hides fortunes. 3 centuries of minting, centuries of history. Every coin a story, yet millions are already gone, spent, scratched, cleaned, tossed into jars, lost in drawers, forgotten, and every single careless action erases value forever. Collectors know. They see what you cannot. Subtle errors, tiny double lines, faint misstrikes, slight misalignments, details invisible to the human eye but worth thousands, sometimes tens of thousands, and people just throw them away like ordinary change. Every year, coins disappear. Original surfaces oxidize. Mistakes are cleaned away. Rare errors vanish. And every lost coin is a fortune quietly erased. The first mistake is thinking it's ordinary. The second mistake is spending it. The third mistake is cleaning it. Every single action slowly murders value. One swipe at a counter. One coin dropped in a tip jar. One casual polish. And it's gone. Gone forever. The real nightmare? The coins are already in circulation. They sit quietly in jars, drawers, collections, pockets. You've touched them. You've seen them. But you don't know what you've lost until it's too late. Even subtle variations are deadly. A faint double drumstick. A barely visible die crack. Slight off-center strikes. Tiny scratches on the surface. They all determine whether a coin is worthless or worth life-changing money. And most people never notice. Errors, anomalies, original toning. The rare survivors are being destroyed faster than they are found. People spend them, misidentify them, or clean them every single day. Millions of dollars vanish silently. Do not underestimate the danger. The drummer boy coin is not just a collectible. It is a ticking time bomb in your pocket. Every coin ignored, every coin spent, every coin cleaned is another fortune erased. The scariest truth? The one that makes your stomach drop. The coin you threw away, the coin you spent, the coin you polished. It could have been worth life-changing money, and you will never know it. Time is ruthless. Condition is sacred. Original surfaces are disappearing. The slightest error can double, triple, even multiply value. Collectors see it. You don't. And every day, ordinary hands destroy what history carefully preserved. Stop. Look. Inspect. Every coin could be the one. Because the most terrifying part isn't that the coin is rare. It's that the fortune already came to you, and you didn't notice. The drummer boy coin is history, but it's also a warning. Fortunes vanish quietly. Life-changing money slips through your fingers, and the regret is permanent. If you've ever held a drummer boy coin and spent it, polished it, ignored it, it's already too late. The question is, will you find the next one before it's gone too? This is not a coin. This is a silent fortune, a ticking bomb. And the nightmare is that it might already be in your hands. Most people never think twice about a quarter. They see it, spend it, toss it, ignore it. That's exactly how fortunes vanish. The Iowa 2004 P quarter is proof. It looks ordinary, safe, just another coin in circulation. Copper and silver, smooth edges, common, harmless. That's the danger. Millions of these quarters were minted, Millions ended up in wallets, jars, drawers, pocket change. Most people didn't know what they had. They slid across counters, dropped it in tip jars, polished it to make it shine, or simply ignored it. Every careless move erased value. Every ignorant action destroyed potential wealth. And nobody noticed. Collectors see the nightmare you can't. They hunt subtle variations. Tiny misstrikes, doubled letters, faint lines, slight misalignments, minuscule errors on the corn stalks, minute differences in surface texture or toning. Ordinary people toss these coins without a second thought, while collectors pay aggressive sums for what you discarded. The P mint mark seems insignificant. Most people don't even check it. But that tiny letter can determine rarity and value. One coin in high condition could be worth hundreds, maybe thousands, while millions of others are completely overlooked, spent, or destroyed. Errors are the real jackpot. Slightly misaligned designs, faint extra lines, off-center strikes, tiny die cracks, subtle doubling. These are the coins that ignite bidding wars. People spend them like common change. One swipe at the register, one casual toss into a jar, one thoughtless polish, and the fortune is gone, forever. Condition is everything. Circulation smooths Lincoln's cheek, flattens the wheat stalks, and dulls original surfaces. Coins with original red-brown toning or untouched mint luster are increasingly rare. Clean coins, destroyed value. Polished coins, erase potential. One careless action, and hundreds or thousands of dollars disappear instantly. The Iowa 2004 P quarter sits quietly, in drawers, in jars, in wallets, in pocket change. It looks safe, ordinary, worthless, and that's exactly how it destroys wealth. Millions are already gone, destroyed by ignorance, carelessness, and neglect. Even the tiniest variations matter. Slight doubling, raised edges, extra lines, tiny die cracks, mint mark position. These subtle details can turn an ordinary coin into a life-changing discovery. Yet most people ignore them. They spend them, polish them, or misidentify them, destroying hidden fortune. The nightmare? The most valuable 2004 P quarter may already have passed through your hands. You may have spent it, polished it, ignored it, and that fortune is gone. Permanently. Collectors don't wait. They hunt aggressively. Auctions explode. Bidding wars erupt. High-grade P-mint coins are scarce. Every surviving coin triggers intense competition. Every careless swipe or polish destroys thousands of dollars of potential wealth. Time is merciless. Circulation destroys. Mishandling scars. Oxidation darkens. Every year, the pool of original, high-grade coins shrinks. Every lost coin is a lost fortune that will never return. This quarter is history, but it's also a warning. A silent fortune waiting quietly in plain sight. Most people already had one, and they didn't know. Do not spend it. Do not clean it. Do not ignore it. Every careless swipe, toss, or polish destroys life-changing potential. The scariest truth? You won't know it until it's gone forever. The Iowa 2004 P State Quarter is not just a coin. It's a ticking time bomb in your pocket. A fortune quietly slipping through your fingers. And the nightmare is that it might already be in your hands. Even subtle misprints or minor mint errors can multiply the value overnight. These coins are disappearing quietly, spent, lost, or destroyed by people who didn't even know what they had. Every day, another fortune vanishes. And the regret? Permanent. Check every coin you own, every mint mark, every surface, every detail. The nightmare isn't that the coin is rare. It's that the fortune already came to you and you let it slip away. Some will discover it. Most won't. Most will only realize the truth when it's far too late. And that is the terrifying reality of the Iowa 2004 P quarter. Do not underestimate it. Do not ignore it. This coin is not just a collectible. It's a silent fortune, a ticking bomb, a nightmare waiting in your pocket. And every day, someone spends one and loses a small fortune forever. Check your change. Inspect every detail. Because the fortune isn't hidden. It's already walking quietly through circulation. And the nightmare? It could already be in your hands. Most people don't lose money. They destroy it, slowly, silently, without realizing it. The Iowa 2004 D-State Quarter looks harmless, ordinary, common, just another coin in circulation. Safe, small, copper-silver colored, smooth edges. But that's exactly how it hides fortunes. Millions were minted, flooding drawers, wallets, jars, and pocket change. To the casual eye, it's worthless. But collectors see what you cannot. Subtle die errors, tiny misstrikes, slight misalignments, faint doubling, minute anomalies invisible to anyone who doesn't know what to look for. These are the coins that ignite bidding wars, the coins that make serious collectors panic. And ordinary people, they spend them, polish them, misidentify them, and destroy value before they even realize it. The D-Mint mark seems unimportant. Most people overlook it. But that tiny letter determines rarity, potential value, and collector interest. One coin with the D mark in high condition could be worth hundreds, even thousands. And yet millions of them are sitting in jars, drawers, and loose change, completely ignored, or worse, destroyed. Errors of the jackpot, slight misaligned corn stalks, tiny extra lines, off-center strikes, doubled letters. These imperfections are invisible unless you know what to look for. And most people never do. They toss the coin into circulation like pocket change. One swipe at a cash register, one tip, one casual spend, and it's gone, gone forever. Condition is everything. Circulation wears down the wheat stalks, smooths Lincoln's cheek, and dulls the coin's original surface. Red or red-brown coins are far more valuable than fully brown coins. But people polish, scrub, or attempt to clean them, thinking they improve the coin. They don't. They erase its value forever. Every careless touch can destroy thousands of dollars in potential collector value. The Iowa 2004 D-State Quarter is deceptively quiet. It sits in drawers, jars, coin boxes, pocket change. It looks safe, ordinary, worthless, and that is exactly what makes it dangerous. Millions have already been lost, destroyed by ignorance, carelessness, or simple neglect. Even the tiniest variation matters. Slight doubling, raised edges, extra lines, tiny die cracks, mint mark position. These subtle details can turn a coin from ordinary into life-changing wealth. And yet most people spend them every day without even checking. The real nightmare? The coin may already have passed through your hands. You may have spent it, polished it, ignored it, and that fortune is gone. Permanently. Collectors don't wait. They hunt. Auctions erupt. Bidding wars explode. Prices skyrocket. Every high-grade 2004 D that survives is a battle, a treasure, a fortune. And ordinary people are unknowingly losing these treasures one careless action at a time. Time is relentless. Circulation destroys. Oxidation darkens. Mishandling scars. And cleaning erases history. The number of coins in original high-grade condition is shrinking every year. Every lost coin is another fortune destroyed forever. This coin is history, but it's also a warning, a silent fortune sitting quietly in plain sight. And the scariest truth? Most people already had one, and they didn't know. Do not spend it. Do not clean it. Do not ignore it. Every swipe, every toss, every careless polish is destroying thousands of dollars in potential wealth. And the worst part? You won't know it until it's gone. Permanently. The Iowa 2004 D-State Quarter is not just a coin. It's a ticking time bomb in your pocket. It's a fortune quietly walking away every day. It's history, opportunity, and regret all rolled into one. Check every coin you own, every mint mark, every detail. Because the nightmare isn't that the coin is rare. It's that the fortune already came to you and you let it slip away. Every ignored, spent, or polished coin is a life-changing opportunity destroyed forever, and you may have already done it without realizing it. The Iowa 2004 D-State Quarter is a silent warning. Fortunes vanish quietly. Life-changing money slips through your fingers, and the regret is permanent. Do not be the person who discovers the truth too late. Do not be the one who spent a fortune without knowing. Check, inspect, verify, because the nightmare is real and it's hiding in plain sight.